class, look at all of our pretty shells we've collected so far. But how can we work out how many shells we have all together? I think we should count in threes to see how many shells we have. Ready? 3, 6, and 9. We have 9 shells all together. And class, did you know what we just did? We just used repeated addition to count our shells together. 3, add 3, add 3. Another word for repeated addition is multiplication. That's right, class. We've just done a multiplication sum because multiplication is essentially just repeated addition of equal groups. So now we know we have 9 shells all together. I think we should share them amongst 3 of our classmates. So 1, 2, and 3. But how many shells will we give to each? So if we are to share our 9 shells between 3 of our friends, I wonder how many shells each student would get. Let's see, ready? We could count 1 shell out to each student at one time. So in the first hand we place 1 shell. Then in the second hand we place another shell. And in the last hand we put another shell in there. But we still have some shells left. Let's keep giving the shells equally out to our 3 classmates until we run out. Ready? So, there are no shells left in the jar, but how many shells do each of our classmates now have in their hands? That's correct. Each friend has 3 shells. 1, 2, 3, which have been shared out equally to them. Now, what if we want to share just 8 of our shells and wanted to give each friend 4 shells? So we put our 8 shells back into our jar, but I'll take one away because we did have 9. So this time we're just using 8 shells. Ready? Okay. So if we wanted to share just 8 of our shells and want to give each friend 4 shells each, how many friends could we share our shells with? Let's see. Well, we could put one classmate's hand out and give them 4 shells. So ready? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Oh yes, we do. So we still have 4 left. So let's grab another classmate's hand. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Look class, we now have no shells left. So we know if we share our 8 shells between 4 shells in each friend, we're able to share between 2 of our friends. And that class was a quotient division sum.